ClickUp's Chrome extension makes it easier than ever to stay productive and get things done quickly, no matter where you are on the web. The extension includes a rich action menu that follows you wherever you go. Hover over the button to see the extension's different functions. If you find this button is getting in your way, don't worry. You can always drag it to another spot on your screen or disable it entirely. Let's talk about the different functions included in this extension. The Notepad is the perfect place to keep track of random brainstorming ideas, meeting notes, or really anything that comes to mind. These notes are for your eyes only and can always be converted into tasks later if you want to take action on them. You can even see notes in full screen if you need a wider view. Use the Email Task Creation feature to quickly view, jump back, or download any email directly from ClickUp. Just click the ClickUp logo in any email to get started. From there, you can attach an email to an existing ClickUp task or create a brand new task in ClickUp with this email attached. The screenshot option grants you extremely detailed markup functionality to provide visual aids in your tasks. Simply take a screenshot of what you want to share, make any desired annotations, and share it with others in ClickUp. You can do this by attaching the image to an existing task or creating a brand new task. If it's not convenient to log into ClickUp, you can always track time and tasks on the go to indicate how long you've been working on an action item. Just choose your desired task and start the timer button. Bookmarking creates a task in ClickUp with full page details and a screenshot so you can easily turn any website into an action item. There's even a bookmark button in the rich text editing menu so you can quickly insert hyperlinked text based on the title of the page and its URL. Lastly, when new to-do items come to mind, just use the New Task function to quickly create a new task in ClickUp. Just drop it into your desired location, add a name to the ClickUp task, and add a due date or assignee if necessary. Once you create the task, it will be waiting for you next time you log into the app. That's it for the Chrome extension, but if you have other questions, just let us know at help@clickup.com.